In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notify Me when back in stock in Shopify. This is a great way to capture interested customers instead of losing them when an item is sold out. First, log in and head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center, where you manage products, orders, apps, and themes. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the search bar at the top. Click on it, then type in apps and select the apps section from the results. Inside the apps area, you'll see different options and recommendations. Click on all recommended apps, and from there, choose the option to open the Shopify App Store. This will take you to Shopify's marketplace, where you can find the tool we'll use for restock notifications. In the App Store search bar, type Easy Pre-Order and Back in Stock. When you see Easy Pre-Order and Back in Stock in the results, click on it to open the apps page. Here you can quickly review what it does, and when you're ready, click Install. Shopify may show you a confirmation screen with permissions. Go ahead and click Install again to approve and add the app to your store. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken to a page where it can be connected to your theme. In the Theme Extensions section, click on Activate. This embeds the app into your current theme so it can show on your product pages. When the theme editor opens, make sure the extension is enabled and then click Save. Next, go back to your Shopify dashboard and open the app again. You should see a section related to Notify Me or Restock Alerts. Click on Activate in that Notify Me area so that the feature is turned on. Now we'll position it on your product page. Shopify will open the theme editor on a product template. On the left-hand side, find the product information section and click the drop-down to expand it. You'll see the newly added app block there. Click on it and drag it so that it sits just above your buy buttons. This is where customers will easily notice it when an item is out of stock. If you click on that new section in the preview, you'll be able to customize it. Things like the button text, wording, and sometimes colors, depending on the app's options. Adjust it so it matches your store's tone and style. When you're happy with how it looks and reads, click Save Again. Now head back to the app dashboard. On the left-hand column, click on Restock Alerts. This is where you'll tell the app which products should show the Notify Me option. Click Add Products, then select the product or products you want to enable restock notifications for. Once you've selected them, click Confirm. At this point, your Notify Me when back in stock feature is live for those products. When an item is sold out, customers will see the notification option, enter their details, and the app will handle letting them know when you restock, helping you recover potential